विसवा उपरांत तुमकां येवकार पळोवया फुडल्यो खबरो। IPB तशेंच राज्य मंत्रिमंडळाची बसका मुखेलमंत्र्याच्या घरांत जाता ती बेकायदेशीर आसा अशी टिका काँग्रेसीन केल्या। राज्यपालान निदान आतां तरी ह्या बाबतींत गंभीर लक्ष घालचें म्हण मागणी ॲडव्होकेट यतीश नायकान केल्या। आरडेक्स खातीर पणजेच्यान विलियम रॉड्रिगीस।
We are making a very strong statement that the act of this government in having IPB meetings and cabinet meetings at the private flat of the Chief Minister is unconstitutional, unprecedented, and something Goa has never seen earlier. So if the Chief Minister doesn't trust anybody, please vacate the seat. MGP, the second day after we made a call to their conscience to walk out in the interest of Goa, to desert BJP in the interest of Goa, the very next day, the MGP president has spoken. And the MGP president said it is a fact that administration is affected adversely, Chief Minister is not there, and within 1 month if they don't do, we will take some course. As I have stated earlier, the governor cannot be a mute spectator to things. The governor has to intervene, or else the governor would be failing in discharge of a constitutional duty. We want to remind the governor once again, though our earlier reminders have fallen on her deaf ears, she has not taken any action. We expect that she is going to act in terms of the constitution. She should be moved and guided by the constitution of this country, for which she should act. She cannot keep quiet. And the cabinet meeting is tomorrow. Correct? So we have told the governor that you can't sit quiet. You have to intervene. More so because it's a private residence. Number two, because the deputy speaker is on record that they are going to be part of a cabinet meeting. So this governor, if she doesn't intervene, then she would be failing in her duty. The future course of our party will unfold. When Speaker and Deputy Speaker are going to attend cabinet meetings, if you don't intervene now, she would be failing in a discharge of her duty, and the future course of the party, of our party, will unfurl.